It is a code issue to use non-plenum rated Velcro straps in a plenum rated space. NFPA 90A, that is, Standard for the Installation of Air Conditioning and Ventilating Systems, Section 3.3 117 requires all materials installed in plenums to be listed as plenum rated or acceptable for use in plenums. NEC Article 300.22c incorporates NFPA 90A by reference, making the plenum rating requirement applicable to electrical installations. Using non-plenum rated materials in a plenum space can result in fire hazards. Non-plenum rated materials may emit toxic fumes and contribute to the spread of fire. Using non-compliant materials can lead to failed inspections and potential fines. Insurance companies may deny claims if non-compliant materials cause damage. The solution is to use plenum-rated Velcro straps specifically designed for plenum spaces. Contact the manufacturer of the Velcro straps to verify their plenum rating. Alternative methods, such as using plenum-rated cable trays or conduit, can also be considered.